This controls all the lights in my kitchen. One switch, 3 different light groups, but no individual adjustments. So I built this. My last $5 switch worked great, so it gave me an idea. What if I could add more than one button to the same microcontroller? Still cheap, but able to control multiple lights. One ESP32, 3 buttons, 3 independent light zones, and it now controls my entire kitchen. If you want the full background, I'll link the original $5 build on screen. Mechanically, this is based on my original design. 3 stacked button modules with a slight offset. Guide rods, springs, the same simple system. Like my previous build, I only need a handful of components to put this together. Power comes from this super efficient voltage converter. Combined with deep sleep on the ESP32, standby power stays extremely low. Then I wired power directly into the ESP32, and each button was connected to its own GPIO pin. The battery connector snapped into place and the ESP32 was seated in its position. After routing the wires through the case, I mounted the 3 switch buttons. I added a small status LED with a 220 ohm resistor, bright enough to shine through the case without pulling too much power. And that's basically the entire internal build. But hardware is only half of it. The buttons also needed to make sense visually. Unlike the original button that just had my logo on it, I wanted each button to actually show what it controls. So I designed a custom icon for each one. 3 hanging bulbs for the island lights, 3 spotlights for the rail in the ceiling, and a cabinet with light underneath for the cabinet lights. That way you don't have to remember anything, just press the symbol that looks right. I modified the firmware from my previous build to support multiple buttons and uploaded it to the ESP32. With the device in pairing mode, it's quickly discovered and added in Home Assistant. Next, I added a few automations to define what each button controls. With that done, let's test it. The top button controls the cabinet lights, the middle button controls the ceiling spots, and the bottom button controls the hanging lights. Hold it, it dims, release, it stops. Now I can control all the group lights individually straight from the wall. My original smart switch came in at under $5 total. For this version, I only added a few extra parts, more springs, guide rods and 2 extra switches, and a little more filament. So, even with 3 buttons, this whole build ends up under $6. Now each light has its own button and I don't have to scroll through 50 lights in the app just to find the right one. If I were to change something, I'd probably try to redesign it a bit smaller. But I'm not sure that's actually necessary, so I'm curious what you think. I'll upload the files to my Patreon page if anyone is interested. And the link is in the description. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the next one. Thanks for watching.